In this video tutorial, we'll explain step by step how to activate or deactivate two-step verification on your cell phone without any complications. The first thing we'll do to solve this problem is watch the video tutorial step by step so you don't miss any details and you'll save yourself the trouble of taking it to a technician. You'll do it without needing a PC, it's a simple process. Easy and fast. Well, having said all that, we have 3 options to perform this function. What are the 3 options? We'll explain how to do it. For example, if you have a phone number that's no longer working, but you're going to add your Google account to another device and it asks for two-step verification and you want to deactivate it, delete that number or replace it. Well, we'll explain all of that in this video tutorial. Having said all that, let's explain the first step. The first step is to go to Google. We type Google here, which will take us to this section. Here, we're going to select this option that appears here, this little circle. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to click here where it says, Manage My Google Account. Here, you're going to select this option that says, Security. Okay, but we're not going to go there yet. Let's go to step number 2, which is to go to the Play Store. We tap here, we're going to select the same option, the little circle. We tap where it says, Manage Account, and we tap here where it says, Security. That would be step number 2. Now let's go to step number 3, which is to go to Settings. Then we'll scroll up and select the Google Account option. Then we'll click here where it says Manage Google Account. Select our Google account and click here where it says Google Account. This will take us to this section. Here in this section, we're going to press this option that says Security. Here we'll find the two-step verification option. We'll find it here. Okay, let's say that down here below you'll also see two-step verification. With all that said, you're going to click on it. You click on that two-step verification. Here you'll be. Sometimes it happens that when you log in, it asks for a screen lock. You're going to add it. It's very important to have it here. To deactivate or activate two-step verification, click here. It would be deactivated if you don't have it. If you have it activated, it would be deactivated here. Here we can add a phone number or replace the number we have. We can do that here. Here is the authenticator. We can also add an alternative email address. So what you would be doing is deactivating it here in this way. If it is activated, and to reactivate it directly from there. Since those of you who want to replace the number, as we have indicated, can do it directly from here.